Good afternoon, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We are here in East Aurora, New York. Here we are on March 7th, 2023. Early spring here, actually have a little bit of sunshine. We're rolling in, it's 2 p.m. right now. We haven't taken anything in yet. This job, the cabinets were built by Accent Cabinetry, Brian Dominic. Brian always does an absolutely fantastic job on his cabinetry. We're doing MSI Statuary Classique quartz. We're doing around 63 square feet today. We have a large island to do. Let's see how this job goes. Okay, we're at 241 now. We have an extremely large island to go here. We're gonna see, we haven't started taking this out of the van. We haven't hooked up any of our vacuum clamps. Let's see how long it actually takes us to get this island in the house, on the cabinets, and in place. Okay, 243. Only a couple minutes to safely have this island out of the van and onto our cart. Okay, here we are. We are at 247. I don't know if you can see it on my phone or not, but we started that I think around 240. So 7 minutes or so less, so I can say under 10 minutes from getting it out of our van, on the cart, moving our ramp twice, into the house and onto our island. Let's see if you can beat that, guys. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're just finishing up a quartz countertop install. I'm here with my customer Corey. Corey, what do you think of the process of picking stone out or your quartz out at our place?
It was great. You guys have quite the shop there. Started able to see a whole bunch of stuff you had in inventory, and yeah, we picked one out that we liked, and it was really easy.
Okay. What do you think of our templating process that we use to get your countertop templated?
It seemed pretty exact. You know, me and my wife are both engineers, so we're pretty familiar with technology. So it was cool to see something like that being worked in our kitchen.
Okay. Now I think this job here we templated it just about 2 weeks ago, so we're a 2 week, a little less than 2 week turnaround. You happy with that turnaround time?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
That's great.
Again, now what do you think your overall fit and finish of the finished job?
Love it. Yeah, I can't find anything that I am unhappy with. So
awesome. We really appreciate your business. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.